Welcome to the Full Tracy Monday Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording. It is 8:36 p.m. that is Central Time. Today is March 18th. Well, I do apologize for recording a bit later than normal today. I'm in New Orleans and spending some time with my family, so it's been a bit of a different work environment as well as a different timetable. And I do anticipate being on time with the recording tomorrow, but then I will be recording early on Thursday morning, and that will really only be looking at the European and Asian markets, I expect. But it's a bit of a fluid environment, so I do apologize for any inconvenience it's causing. Now, when we think about what's going on in the markets, well, gold has been going up and stock markets have been going down. That's a very simple way of thinking about things. Now, gold today surged up through $3,000. And that's a big psychological number. It's been ranging below it since the beginning of February, and now it's exceeding it. So it's an important area of potential resistance, and it has so far held the move above it. So that's very encouraging. Now, the more back history we look at, I think the more convincing the trend looks. We have a series of ranges, one above the last, so it's a staircase uptrend, which is the very picture of consistency. However, what we can say is that the most recent consolidation, which was just below the 3,000 level, is smaller in magnitude than those that went before it. So that, in very simple terms, tells us that the pace of the advance is picking up. So that also tells us that there is an increasingly large divergence between supply and demand. It tells us that the pace of the advance picking up is pointing towards acceleration, and that is not an early stage of the trend, it's a maturing stage of the trend. Now, the next point, of course, is that there is no evidence to suggest that this trend has ended. So there's certainly the potential for additional upside. When we think about the NASDAQ 100, well, then we have a little bit of a different environment.